So hello everyone. Today we are discussing task 2 and the question is influences of human beings on the world ecosystem is leading to the extinction of species and loss of biodiversity. What are the primary causes of loss of biodiversity? What solution can you suggest? Now this is a rare kind of essay where you don't need to provide a positive and negative approach to it. You just have to write about it. What are your opinions and what are the causes? And for this you need to be very well read, very well aware of the present scenario. Okay, let's see what has been written. In this contemporary world, human activity has immensely increased. Because of this, you need to write a comma here. Human activity has immensely increased, comma. Because of this, it is costing massive extinction of different species. Full stop. Fine. This essay will discuss the reason for extinction of biodiversity and will also provide possible solution for this problem. To this problem, or rather for this problem would be better. There are various causes of species extinction. Firstly, change of their habitants, no, change of their habitat. Habitat are the person who live inside a habitat. Habitat is your surrounding, your home. So you need to write here habitat. In modern times, humans are artificially transforming the environment. This way, they are destroying the natural habitat and vegetation. Okay, for instance, to build new roads or houses, you need to write houses here. People are cutting down trees. Because of that, a lot of species are dying out. Secondly, okay, you need to write here how exactly the species are dying out. That is, the plants are dying as well as the birds that live on the plants have the loss of habitat and therefore they are dying. Secondly, people are overusing the natural resources. Due to this, the resources are getting exhausted, or get exhausted is also fine. Due to this, the resources get exhausted. The resources get exhausted. To give an example, frequent fishing does not leave enough time for the fish to reproduce and makes them disappear. Yes. Or you can say, yeah, that is okay because extinct is being repeated. In other words, humans often deplete local flora and fauna and cause a loss of biodiversity. Yes, that is a good first para wherein you talk about the causes and the effects of human interaction with the environment and how they destroy the environment. Moving on. Yeah, no, not this. Yes. So the possible solution to this problem are no, the possible solutions to these problems are, or the possible solution to this problem is, decide if you want to be singular or plural. So the possible solution to this problem is protecting natural resources and protecting awareness among people. No, projecting awareness among people or creating awareness among people. You cannot protect the awareness among people. There is no awareness among people to protect. We need to create the awareness among people. So by introducing strict rules and regulations where human activity is limited and avoiding overexploitation of its resources. No, you can say strict actions where human activity is limited, therefore avoiding exploitation of the resources. And is a bad connector here. It's a wrong connector. By this way, we can save environment and prevent species from dying out. Very good. Moreover, the next step in fighting biodiversity loss is informing the general population about the dangers of this problem. You can say educating the general population. Informing is a wrong word here. You need to educate them. You need to create awareness, but you cannot use the word create awareness again. You can say educating the general population about the dangers of this problem. This way, people will be more conscious about the environment. Okay, so there are two ways, that is introducing strict rules and regulations, and second point is educating the people. Fine. To conclude, people's activities that change the environment have made a negative impact on the world ecosystem. However, we can save species by protecting natural resources and making people aware about the problem. Yes, that is also nice. So you have portrayed your views, and overall the views are good. You could also talk about in introducing policies which protect the natural environment, but that gets covered in rules and regulations. Overall, the structure is good. The structure has no problem. The essay had already described the structure, wherein the question had already described the structure, wherein we have to talk about the loss of biodiversity and what are the primary causes and what solutions can you prevent. So what are the primary causes would be the first part, and what solution can you suggest would be the second part. So overall the structure is good. I'm happy about the structure. There are still grammatical mistakes which you need to improve. Thank you, people.